In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Whop account. To get started, open your web browser and go to whop.com. Once the website loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the official homepage before entering any information. This is always a good habit when creating an account on any platform, especially if you're signing up for the first time. After you're on the Whop website, look for the sign up or account creation area. The process here is very straightforward. You'll see a place where you can enter your email address to begin creating your account. In this example, you'll be using a Gmail address, but the key thing is to enter an email that you have access to and can check easily. That's important because many platforms use email for verification, login support, and account-related updates. Go ahead and type your Gmail address carefully into the email field. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, since even a small error can stop you from receiving important messages. If your browser offers to autofill your email, you can use that to save time, but it's still a good idea to quickly confirm that the correct address has been entered. Once your Gmail address is in place, click the Continue button. This tells the website to move you to the next part of the sign-up process. Depending on how the site is set up, you may be asked to verify your email or continue with additional account details after this point. The important part in this step is simply entering your Gmail correctly and continuing. If the page takes a few seconds to load, that's completely normal. Just wait for the next screen to appear and avoid clicking multiple times, since that can sometimes cause confusion or duplicate actions. If nothing happens, double check that your internet connection is working and that the email field was completed properly. And that's it for the basic process of getting started with creating your Whop account. As a quick tip, it's best to use an email account that you check regularly so you don't miss any login confirmations or future notifications from the platform. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to begin your Whop account setup without any trouble. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get started quickly and confidently.